Mastering IELTS Writing Task 1, Strategies for Success. In this presentation, we will explore effective strategies to excel in the IELTS Writing Task 1. We will cover essential techniques, common mistakes to avoid, and tips to enhance your overall writing skills. Get ready to boost your scores and achieve your desired results. Understanding task requirements. To succeed in IELTS Writing Task 1, it's crucial to fully comprehend the task requirements. This slide will explain the key elements to consider, such as interpreting graphs, charts, and diagrams accurately. We will also discuss the importance of identifying trends, significant data, and structuring your response effectively. Organizing your response. Learn how to structure your writing in a coherent and logical manner. This slide will provide you with essential tips on organizing your introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. Discover effective paragraphing techniques and the appropriate use of linking words to create a well-structured and cohesive response. Describing data accurately. This slide will guide you in accurately describing various types of data, including graphs, pie charts, and tables. Learn how to present numerical information, percentages, and comparisons effectively. Gain insights into using appropriate vocabulary, verb tenses, and expressions to convey information precisely and concisely. Using language flexibly. Discover how to demonstrate a wide range of vocabulary, grammar structures, and sentence variations. This slide will explore techniques to avoid repetition and enhance your language flexibility. Learn how to express comparisons, proportions, trends, and make predictions with confidence to impress the examiners. Thank you for your time. Follow for more videos.